Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your Linktree profile. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Linktree app. Then on the top you can tap on add new link, and here you can select your content. For example, tap on music. You can add a title if you would like to, and here you have to enter the link. For example, go to the YouTube, copy link, and go back. And paste here your link. Then tap on done. And on the top left corner, accept these changes. Then you have a new link on your profile. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.